Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Dadima's kitchen. Today we will be making pizza. First up, we will need a circle-shaped cutter. Next, we will need a simple slice of bread. Now we will just make a hole in the middle of the bread. Now let's remove that bread circle from the slice. Now we've got some tomato ketchup, which we will spread onto the bread. Now we have finished adding the tomato ketchup on the bread. We've washed that again, so it's clean now. Now we will be adding some cheese. Make sure to be generous with the cheese. Let's add the cheese and add it all in. Okay, that's just about enough cheese. Now we'll move on to the next ingredients. So let's quickly pick up the cheese, clean it up. Now let's wash that again. See, it's ready now. The tap, and now we'll add our next ingredients. So we have to add the toppings of the pizza. Over here we've got some olive, onion and parsley. First let's add the onion, which is chopped. Okay, done that. Now let's add our olive, which is also chopped. Now let's add our parsley onto the pizza. like so, and flatten it up. Now we'll quickly add the ingredients which fell down, and here is a mushroom which we will chop, slice up, so let's just get that in play. Move that pizza to the side. And quickly slice that mushroom up. But before we slice the mushroom, we have to make sure we wash it to stay clean. Okay, that's done. Now it's time for the slicing. So we got a knife which we're going to use to slice it. Okay, let's quickly slice it up. We will just need to have a little bit of mushroom because it's a tiny pizza. Then we'll just add the mushrooms, and now we'll pop it straight into the oven. If you want, you can add tomato to it, but since we've got tomato ketchup, we don't think we need to add it. Okay, it's in the oven. Put it to its heat and we'll be right back. Looks like the pizza is ready. Let's take it out of the oven. Since it's hot, we'll need that spoon to take it out. So as you can see, the pizza is cooked. And now we'll have to serve it to our dolls. This food looks so delicious, yummy yummy. I'm so excited to try it. Thank you for watching Dadima's Kitchen. Hope to see you soon. Please follow us on Facebook and keep up with our latest videos. Bye!